Welcome to my channel Studylecture. Today we see important question about general awareness. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान? द राइट आंसर कुशवंत सिंह. नाउ सी important book and its author. First, My Favorite Nature Stories, written by Ruskin Bond. Next, Indian Parliamentary Diplomacy, written by Meera Kumar. Next, My Country My Life, written by L.K. Advani. Next, Narendra Modi, a Political Biography, written by N.D. Marino. Next, My Unforgettable Memories, written by Mamata Banerjee. Next question, what is the population density of Haryana as per Census 2011? The right answer 573 per square kilometer. Now see about Haryana. On 1 November 1966, Haryana was carved out on the basis of that part of Punjab. Its capital Chandigarh, its district 22, largest city Faridabad. Next, CM Manohar Lal Khattar, Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya, dance Ghumra, festival Lahori, and language Hindi. Under the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi has inaugurated the first health and wellness center in which city? The right answer Bijapur. Launched in 23 September 2018. Next question, which minister has launched Darpanapalli application for seamless collection of PLI and RPLI policy? The right answer Ministry of Communication. Next question, which thermometer is used to indicate the lowest temperature? The right answer alcohol thermometer. The 2017 Mobile World Congress was held at Barcelona. Who organized this event? The right answer GSMA. Next question, the first Indian woman to reach Olympic final in individual track event was PT Usha. Next question, the Arjuna Award established from the year 1961. Next question, which process is used for making nitric acid? The right answer Ostwald process. What is the length of Godavari River? The right answer 1465. Now see about Godavari River. Godavari is the second longest river after Ganga. Its source is in Trimbakeshwar, Maharashtra. It flows east for 1465 km, draining the state of Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Next question, Poshan Abhiyan was launched in Rajasthan. Now see Poshan. Poshan stands for Prime Minister Overreaching Scheme for Holistic Nourishment. Poshan Abhiyan was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in March 2018 from Jhunjhuna in Rajasthan. The month of September will be celebrated as Poshan Abhiyan across the country. Former Lok Sabha Speaker Sri Somnath Chatterjee recently passed away. He was a member of the Communist Party of India. Next question, if we keep the refrigerator in a room, then the room temperature will increase. Now see about refrigerator. Freon group of refrigerator are non-toxic and non-inflammable. The boiling point of ammonia is -33.3 degrees Celsius. In refrigerator system, the expansion device is connected between the receiver and evaporator. Next question, what is the length of Narmada River? The right answer 1312 km. Now see about Narmada River. First question, the Narmada River originates in Maikal Range. Next, it from the traditional boundary between North India and South India. Next question, Narmada River is also known as River River. Next question, Narmada River that completely flow within India after Ganga and Godavari. Next, Narmada river is the third largest river. Next question, Narmada flows in a rift valley between the Satpura and Vindhya range. Next question, India and Desh during the 5th meeting of boundary working group held in Kathmandu have agreed to explore possibility of using high resolution satellite image in boundary survey work. The right answer, Bangladesh. Next question, Arjuna Award is given for outstanding performance in sports. Next question, who has been appointed as brand ambassador for government's road safety companies? The right answer, Akshay Kumar. Next question, Amartya Sen was awarded the Nobel Prize for his contribution to welfare economic. For the reversibility of a cycle, there should be no loss energy. Next question, if we run on a horizontal road, then the work done by the gravity force is equal to your weight. Next question, when something is dropped, it does not fall with uniform velocity. Next question, a passenger standing in a bus is thrown outward. When the bus takes a turn, this happens due to outward pull on him. Next question, Bulwana Darwaza was built by Akbar. Next question, the mirror used by dentist is a concave mirror. Now see uses of concave mirror. Concave mirrors are commonly used in torches, searchlight and headlight of vehicle to get powerful parallel beam of light. They are used as saving mirror to see a large image of the face. Next, dentist uses concave mirror to view large image of the teeth of the patient. Now see uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror is used inside the building. Next, used in sunglasses. Next, used in vehicle. Next, used in magnifying glass. Next, used in security purpose. Next question, woolen cloths keep us warm in winter because they protect the heat of body from escaping. Next question, the melting point of tungsten is 3000 degree centigrade. Now see about tungsten. Tungsten has the highest melting point of any metal. Tungsten is used in filament of light bulbs. Next question, who was the first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India? The right answer, Leela Seth. Next question, in food chain, humans are both primary and secondary consumer. Now see about food chain. In food chain, primary consumer are animal that eat primary producer. They are also called as herbivorous. The examples such as primary consumer, rabbit, bears, geese, fleas, human, horse and cows. Next, secondary consumer. Secondary consumer can eat primary consumer. Example, dog, cat, mole, bird and human. Human are both primary and secondary consumer. Next question, who has written the famous book Mankind and Mother Earth? The right answer, Arnold Toynbee. Next question, communication satellites are used to receive and redirect communication signal. Last question, National Youth Day is celebration on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. The theme of National Youth Day 2020 is Fit Youth, Fit India.